Hey guys, and welcome back. Today I'm going to do this really easy New Year's Eve nail dot and nail stamp design. So I used two polishes by Sinful Colors. The white one's called Snowy White and the gold one's called Supernova. And two polishes by Color Club called Black Magic and Harp on it. So I already painted my nails with the white polish, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to add the dots of the gold, the black, and the silver hollow. You can add any colors you want, but I just thought this would be such a nice color combo for New Year's. I love glitter. I love to add a whole bunch of glitter to my designs for New Year's. I just That's just my thing. So what I did was on the top part of my nails, I added big dots, and then on the bottom, I added little ones, kind of giving it that ombre look to it. I like always doing that. I always like doing that like hollow look. It just looks really cute. And I don't know, that's my personal preference. And once I was done, I applied a quick dry top coat. This is a really easy design. You can do it on all your nails, or like me, add a stamp design. And I'm using this plate by Cheeky called Happy Holidays. And I'm going to apply the black hollow and the gold, and I'm going to create an ombre. I wanted it to have a nice look to it. And this plate I've had for years and I love it. Has so many different holiday designs. And I just applied that stamp design onto white nail polish, and it came out really cute. Once I was done, I removed that liquid latex and I applied a quick dry top coat. I hope I gave you some fun options to do for your New Year's Eve nails. And here's the finished look. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel to get updates when I upload new videos. And check out my Instagram at Funwithmynails to see more of my nail art. Thanks so much for watching. See you next time.